Explorer. Welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. Let us begin with the chapter number 21 of grammar, and the name of the chapter is story writing. So, let's talk about the story writing now, right? So, fill in the blanks with right words in the following story. तो अब हमें ब्लैंक्स हमें यहाँ पर कुछ स्टोरी दी हुई है जो कि मिसिंग है एट सम पॉइंट, राइट? तो हमें यहाँ पर कुछ ऑप्शंस भी दिए हुए हैं ऊपर जिन्हें पढ़कर हमें स्टोरी को फिल करना है। तो लेट्स ट्राई विद द एग्जांपल जो कि हमें यहाँ पर दिया हुआ है, एंड द टॉपिक ऑफ द स्टोरी इज डॉग, राइट? तो यहाँ पर ये जो भी हमें दिए हुए हैं, दीज आर द ऑप्शन, right? A large piece of bone stopped and looked down. A stream or cat fell into the stream. Its piece of bone bugged with piece of bone, narrow bridge, it in peace and own reflection. So let's see. पढ़कर देखते हैं और देखते हैं कि कौन कौन से वर्ड्स हम स्टोरी में कहाँ फिट कर सकते हैं, राइट? तो once dog found dash, तो हम क्या लिख सकते हैं यहाँ पर? Dog found a large piece of bone, right? A large piece of bone, right? Next, he was very happy and wanted to eat it in peace. Eat it in peace, right? After that, he came to a dash. Now, वो कहाँ पर आया? He came to a stream, right? He came to a stream and began to cross over over the narrow bridge, a narrow bridge, right? After that, when he crossed the half of the bridge, he suddenly stopped and looked down. Suddenly stopped and looked down. He saw his own reflection. After that, he saw his own reflection in the water. He took it for another dog with a big piece of bone in his mouth, right? A big piece, right? After that, he took this done. He wanted to get what he wanted to get. He wanted to get its piece of bone, right? He wanted to get its piece of bone. So let's write here. He wanted to get its piece of bone too. Next, he dashed at it. He, what we can write from here, let's see. He started to bark at it, right? No, he barked at it, right? So हम यहाँ पर simply क्या लिखेंगे? He barked at it. Let's write barked at it. The moment he opened his mouth, dashed the other dog his own piece of bone, right? The moment he opened his mouth to bark at the other dog, his own piece of bone, his own piece of bone, what we can write is his own piece of bone fell into the stream, right? His own piece of bone fell into the tree. Tree fell into the tree. The poor dog did not know that he was looking at his own reflex. Now, so I hope you all got this very clearly and you all enjoyed completing this story and you all must have learned something from this also. So that was all from my side. I hope you all enjoyed it and gathered a lot more information from here. So that was all from my side. Thank you so much and have a great day ahead.